Once again, democratic countries let the Kurds down, allowing Turkey to attack Western Kurdistan. The United States of America has evacuated its civilian personnel present in Rojava. They have transferred them to Erbil, the capital of Southern Kurdistan, while Turkey targets the Kurds in Syria and their vital civilian infrastructure with impunity. A massive Turkish military invasion of northeastern Syria is feared. Mazlum Cobane, commander-in-chief of the Syrian Democratic Forces, the main secular and democratic organization in the fight against the Islamic State in Syria, said that the ground invasion against Kurdish-controlled northeastern Syria has already begun. Despite the many civilian casualties, the French media, and the Western media in general, hardly mention it. Commander Cobane told on an online press conference that Turkey is still gathering forces around the towns of Manbij and Cobane and that Turkish-backed jihadist groups were concentrating between Manbij and Tell Rifaat. Despite this, he warned that the Syrian Democratic Forces were ready to defend their land. The Kurds complain about the lack of Western reaction to their situation. Once again, they can only rely on their own courage to confront the Islamist terrorists and the imperialist Turkish army, one of the most powerful in NATO. For the Occitan Nation Party, there cannot be a double standard in politics. One cannot fight Russian imperialism in Ukraine and turn a blind eye to Arab and Turkish imperialism in Kurdistan. The Occitan Nation Party supports the struggle of the valiant Kurdish people and their desire for independence and national unity.